Before disconnecting your battery, note any radio presets. When a battery is disconnected or loses its charge, the following items may need attention depending on the vehicle equipment. You may have to reset your clock, enter radio presets, and initialize the power windows and sunroof. The battery in the Porsche 944 and Turbo is located in the right rear-hand side of the engine compartment by the A-pillar and window base. There was a cover for the battery that came with the cars, but most of those are long gone. Do not let your battery get in the condition of the one that came in our project car. The battery was missing the tie-down bracket, green arrow. It had 8 power leads, red arrow, and 3 grounds, yellow arrow. To remove the battery, remove the 13mm nut on the tie-down bracket and remove the bracket. Then loosen the 13mm nut on the ground cable first, yellow arrow, and remove the cable from the post. Then remove the positive cable and remove the battery from the vehicle. Use care as batteries are very heavy and do not let the cables contact the posts while moving it. With the battery removed, clean up the area around the battery tray. If there is any corrosion or spilled battery acid, make sure to take care of it right away. The red arrow indicates the stud the battery tie-down bracket and bolt attached to. Check the ground strap where it mounts to the chassis, red arrow. This area should be free of rust and corrosion and have good metal-to-metal contact. Clean this area well and apply a little dielectric grease when reinstalling the ground strap. Bad connections between the ground strap and chassis can cause major electrical issues with the vehicle. There may be an additional ground strap that attaches to the top of the transmission to ground the engine and transmission, depending on year, make, and model of your Porsche. Check the straps for corrosion, red arrow, and clean or replace as needed. Install the battery in the compartment. Connect the positive cable, yellow arrow. Next, connect the negative cable, red arrow. Install the battery bracket and tighten down until it is snug. When charging a battery, you can connect a battery charger directly to the battery under the hood at the positive, yellow arrow, and negative, red arrow, ground point junctions. However, I suggest removing the battery from the vehicle when charging. This will avoid filling your engine bay with gases the battery emits during charging. Following the manufacturer's instructions on setting and using the battery charger are essential. A vehicle with a discharged battery can be jump-started using a good battery or a good battery in another vehicle. When jump-starting, be sure to work in a well-ventilated area. Batteries can produce an explosive gas. Wear gloves and eye protection, and if battery acid comes in contact with your skin, immediately flush the area with water and seek medical assistance. Move both vehicles close together, but do not allow them to touch. Turn the ignition off in both vehicles. There are covers on the batteries. Begin by removing them so you can get access to the terminals. Connect one end of the positive jumper cable to the positive battery terminal of the vehicle with the good battery. Connect the other end of the positive jumper cable to the positive junction terminal, red arrow, of the vehicle with the discharged battery. Connect one end of the negative cable to the negative battery terminal of the vehicle with a good battery. Connect the other end of the negative jumper cable to the negative junction terminal, red arrow, of the vehicle with the discharged battery. Start the engine on the vehicle with the good battery. Allow it to idle, then raise the engine to 2,000 RPM. Next, start the engine of the vehicle with the discharged battery. Once vehicle with the discharged battery starts, shut off any electrical accessories, radio, HVAC, blower, etc. Carefully disconnect the jumper cable in reverse order that you connected them. Allow the vehicle with the dead battery to idle to recharge. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.